Daily vlog. Day 7. Tonight there is a helicopter circling the building. The description of the man they are looking for matches me. I'm not very happy. But they would never find me because I have my bunker. My bunker. That is the bunker that I sleep in, I eat in, and I store all of my virgins in there. There are so many. Let me see if they're in there right now. Virgins! No virgins right now. They are all gone. I don't know where they went. I'm supposed to keep a leash on them. I have to go back to PetSmart and buy some more leashes. I don't really know. The helicopter is still circling. My god. Daily vlog. Has it been daily vlog with Wally Habashim? I'm still on the look for any virgins. If you see any, please call me at 1-800-KABOOM.